Hey there. Are your hands starting to hurt from too much crocheting? Let me share with you 5 stretches that have really helped me loosen up and make sure my hands avoid repetitive strain. Now, I am not a doctor. These are just things that I have found that really work for me, so I wanted to share with you. So if it helps you, wonderful, but again, not a doctor. Teacher, not a doctor. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Sarah. I'm a crochet artist and teacher, and I love sharing crochet tips with others, and your hands are your main tool besides your crochet hook. So we want to make sure that we are staying safe and not injuring ourselves. So the first one I always do is going to be kind of rolling. I think it's called prayer hands. I'm not sure. But basically I just kind of grab my hands together and then roll my wrists around. So that's kind of the first one that really helps me out. The second one is I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to push kind of down and then also up. And I do this for about 30 seconds and then this way. Let's see if I can get in the screen. And up for about 30 seconds. I also want to make sure that my hands are and my fingers are protected. Another one that really helps is I think it's called Hocus Pocus. I don't know where I'm getting these names from, but probably the internet. But basically, you're going to be hands out. Now, I like to do this one standing or down low, not so much up here, but I'm showing you. So it's kind of creating a fist and then spreading out your fingers a few times for about 10 times to really like get those out, and then always shaking. Shaking always helps me. So shaking those out, and that's a great one. There's also like a motorcycle where it's your wrists. So you're basically like revving a motorcycle. So it's straight out and then up and down with the wrist. Another great one that I like to do is pushing my hands together and then also this way as well. And always shake in between. It just kind of loosens everything out. My biggest tip also when crocheting is to take breaks. I am a person who loves to crochet while I watch a Netflix show or series, and so I recommend either stretching in between shows or getting up and walking around, stretching your whole body. You don't want to stay in that same position for too long because it just keeps that repetitive motion going, and you really want to move your body as much as you can. Taking breaks is honestly the best thing for your crochet hands. You know, sitting for 8 hours straight is probably not going to be great for your body. So make sure you are moving around, taking those breaks, and stretching in between stitches. I hope these stretches help you out while you're crocheting. Remember, not a doctor. So make sure if you are experiencing pain, you do go see your doctor, but this kind of gives you those stretches on the in-between. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. There are more tutorials, patterns, and more coming your way. And if you're looking to learn more about how to crochet, I do have an online crochet course, Hookademy. Check that out in the description below.